Moving on for the presentation of awards to deserving personnel for their outstanding and remarkable services that they have achieved. May we request our Regional Director of NCRPO, Major General Edgar Alan O. Ocubo, and District Director of NPD, Brigadier General Ponce Rogelio I. Peñones Jr., to be assisted by the Command Group to present the awards. Citation reads, for their accomplishment on anti-illegal drugs through bypass operation on October 11, 2022 in Caloocan City that resulted in the arrest of Mary Grace V. Kabuhan and the recovery of 100 grams of methamphetamine hydrochloride amounting to 680,000 pesos. The Medalya ng Kagalingan is presented to Colonel Ruben Bumanglag Lacuesta, Chief of Police of Caloocan City Police Station. Same award is presented to Major Dennis Advincula Ontuhan, Chief Station Drug Enforcement Unit. Same award is presented to Staff Sergeant Rainier Brian Ramos Saez, SDU.
For their accomplishment on the arrest of most wanted person by virtue of warrant of arrest on October 1, 2022 in Valenzuela City that resulted in the arrest of Jovan Gabriel Lopez, listed as top 1 most wanted person of Valenzuela City Police Station for the crime of rape. The Medalya ng Kagalingan is presented to Police Staff Sergeant Jeffrey Guhilde Natural Jr.
For the successful implementation of enhanced managing police operations, campaign against anti-illegal drugs, anti-criminality, and internal cleansing that contributed to the remarkable and significant improvement in crime prevention, solution, and reduction of crimes within the area of Kamanaba, Medalya ng Paglilingkod laban sa kriminalidad is presented to Staff Sergeant Richmond Morales Quiñones, Caloocan City Police Station. Same award is presented to Master Sergeant Genesis Watman Ramirez, Malabon City Police Station. Same award is presented to Staff Sergeant Nixon Manina Ponchinlan, Malabon City Police Station. Same award is presented to Staff Sergeant Joseph Malinanya Probido of Nabota City Police Station. And same award is presented to Staff Sergeant Raymond Quinanos Quintos, District Mobile Force Battalion.
Once again, congratulations to all of our awardees for your remarkable achievements. Let us give them a big round of applause. Please be seated, Sir Imam. To continue with